So one time Srila Prabhupada was with his disciples on the shore of a water body. And they were having their morning walk. And they were discussing, chanting the holy name. And then, the typical Prabhupada would have his japa beads, Hari Ram, Ram Ram, Hari Hari, and questions and answers back and forth. So suddenly Prabhupada looked towards the ocean. And there was a big ocean liner. Big one. And that was being pulled by a small motorboat. Okay? A big ocean liner was being pulled by a small motorboat. Prabhupada looked. What is the lesson out of that? One brave devotee said, maybe because the ocean liner is weak. Prabhupada said, why is it weak? So another person said, because its engine is switched off. Prabhupada said, yes. So what is the lesson out of it? Sorry. We just answered now another lesson. Prabhupada, we don't know what this means. Prabhupada said, such a big object cannot be pulled by such a small object. But it is being pulled because the engine is off. Similarly, we as spirit souls, we are part and parcel of Krishna, who is great. Therefore, being his servants, we are also big. Like an ocean liner, we are also big. And we are being pulled and attracted by small motorboats like these objects. iPhones. That's how attached we are. So they are all like motorboats. And we are like big ocean liners because we are spiritual beings. And these things are pulling us. Prabhupada explained this. Then he said, because our inner spiritual engine is switched off. Because our connection with Krishna is switched off, we are being attracted by these things. Things of this world are supposed to be used. And people and relationships in this world are to be loved. But sadly these days we are loving things and using people. This is our situation. Yes, so we are being pulled here and there, pillar to post by these motorboat-like material objects. That's because our spiritual engine is switched off. Then Prabhupada gave the mantra to switch on the spiritual engine. And that was Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. And he said, if you chant this mantra, your spiritual engine will be switched on, and then no longer will you be pulled by material, temporary sense objects.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama.